and of course even his international career, because the latest injury that he had, which kept him out of play for more than 12 months, it came at a time when he was already breaking into the Nigerian national team, the Super Eagles. That's how severe these injuries has affected his injury, rather his career. So Orlando Pirates released the following statement. It reads as, "Thank you, Nda. Orlando Pirates Football Club can confirm that the club has reached a mutual agreement with defender Olisanda to part ways. The Nigerian international requested an early release from his contract, a decision that follows careful and respectful discussions between the player and the club's management."